Hey everyone, this is Nate from Voltage, and welcome to the introduction of the Voltage How-To BTCPay Server series. And for those that don't know, BTCPay Server is an open source project. It's been around for quite a while. And the goal of BTCPay Server is to provide an interface for Bitcoin merchants and those that want to use Bitcoin in a commercial sort of way. So if you want to sell something or start a crowdfund, that's sort of what BTCPay Server is used for. So in this video series, we're going to walk through how to deploy a BTCPay server using Voltage, how to connect Lightning nodes, how to connect an on-chain wallet, and how to use the various tools of BTCPay Server. It's important to know that BTCPay Server on Voltage can be deployed on its own. You do not need a Lightning node with Voltage to use BTCPay with Voltage, which is pretty cool. So if you're running a Lightning node at home, you can still use BTCPay Server with Voltage for an easy access interface for whatever you are trying to do. Get ready, this is going to be a good series, and I'll see you in the next video.